Hey guys, it's me.
And me.
And we're going to do a slime fail, basically.
Yeah, so we're going to be showing you all of our slime fails. So, yeah.
All the slime that is horrible.
Yeah, so.
Yay.
So the first
So this one is this one.
It's a foam bead one, and it's like.
It's not that stretchy.
Like a rubber.
It has
Do that.
If you've seen our last video, you have seen that I had,
Exploded it.
Yeah. And
Like, she spread it apart in, like, a lot of beads went everywhere. So, yeah.
So, guys, we have hers here now. Yeah? Why?
Hold it.
Oh, yeah.
So, then we have this blue one. It's like the other one, except there's more beads in the other one. And this is the one that she exploded.
Oh, yeah, rip it apart. As fast as you can. When you don't want it to stretch, it stretches. When you want it to stretch,
it doesn't.
it explodes. Okay, on to the next.
This is my favorite one because it makes me laugh.
This one is what I'm doing.
Put it on here. I don't want it to stain my dresser.
So, it is that bad that it would stream. So you see, it's sort of just...
That's good.
Look at that's not slime, that's soap. Ew, why'd you do it there?
Wash it, wash it.
Eh.
Is it stretchy?
It's not stretchy, it's wet. It's slippery. This is the definition of bad slime.
So now I'm gonna show you this one.
One of the worst slimes.
And then, but the last one is like the worst, and yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the one we're doing together.
Yeah, it's this weird yellow slime that she calls the
Green.
banana. No, that one. It's the weird yellow slime that she calls banana slime. And
I mean, it's pretty good when you get used to it, but it's really tiny.
yeah. On to the best one. JK lol. Nope, this is the worst one.
So we're doing this together.
Yeah.
Just trying to grab it without all the water. It feels like our egg yolk. What is it? Oh no, it's actually pretty stretchy.
Never mind. So it's wet and slimy.
It looks like green eggs and ham.
Yeah, without the ham and the eggs.
It's super squishy.
It's just green.
It's like, I can't even.
Okay. So as always, like down there and subscribe.
Bye.
This is a fail.
Bye.